Look up at the night sky, a canvas of infinite wonders. A sea of stars, vast and unknowable, stretching beyond our imagination. Each point of light, a distant sun, perhaps with planets of its own, harboring unknown worlds. Where did it all come from? This question has puzzled thinkers for millennia. This universe, teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets, how did it all begin? What was the spark that ignited this cosmic dance? The question has haunted humanity since we first looked up and wondered. Did it simply appear out of nowhere, a spontaneous burst of creation? Or was there a force, a creator, who set it all in motion, a grand architect of the cosmos? The mystery of our origins is a deep and enduring one, a puzzle that continues to challenge our understanding. Science offers tantalizing clues, peering into the distant past with powerful telescopes and complex equations, revealing glimpses of the universe's infancy. We strive to understand the mechanisms of the cosmos, the laws that govern the universe from the smallest particles to the largest superclusters, seeking a unified theory of everything. Yet, the ultimate question remains: what sparked the existence of everything we see? What was the catalyst for this grand existence? Was it a universe from nothing? Or is there more to the story, waiting to be uncovered by our relentless quest for knowledge? The prevailing scientific theory is the Big Bang, an explosive moment some 13.8 billion years ago. All matter and energy compressed into a point smaller than an atom. Then, an expansion, a rapid cooling, a stretching of space and time. From this primordial soup, the universe as we know it began to take shape. The Big Bang model is supported by a wealth of evidence. The redshift of distant galaxies, the cosmic microwave background radiation, the abundance of light elements. These observations point towards a universe born from a single, cataclysmic event. But what caused this event? What existed before the Big Bang? Here, science hesitates, on the edge of the unknown. Modern physics, particularly quantum mechanics, offers a glimpse into a reality stranger than fiction. At the subatomic level, the laws of classical physics break down. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, their behavior governed by probability rather than deterministic laws. Could it be that the universe itself emerged from a quantum fluctuation, a random blip in the void? Some physicists propose that the universe could have originated from a quantum vacuum, a state of minimum energy, yet not entirely empty. Instead, it's a seething sea of virtual particles, constantly popping in and out of existence. Perhaps, in this realm of quantum possibility, a fluctuation of sufficient energy could have given birth to the universe. The concept of a beginning to time itself is difficult to grasp. Our minds are accustomed to cause and effect, to a linear progression of events. But what if time, as we understand it, did not exist before the Big Bang? Some theories propose a cyclical universe, expanding and contracting in an endless dance of creation and destruction. Others suggest the existence of a multiverse, where our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. These ideas challenge our conventional understanding of reality, hinting at realms beyond our current comprehension. Section 5. The Mind of a Creator. Faith's Perspective. For millennia, religions around the world have offered their own narratives of creation. Stories passed down through generations, imbued with cultural and spiritual significance. These creation myths often involve a divine being, a god or gods, who bring the universe into existence through an act of will or from their own essence. In these narratives, the universe is not simply a product of random chance, but a purposeful creation. It is imbued with meaning and order, reflecting the divine plan of its creator. For believers, faith provides a framework for understanding our place in the cosmos, offering comfort and guidance in a universe that can often seem indifferent or even hostile. Section 6. Science and Religion. Two sides of the same coin? The relationship between science and religion is complex and often fraught with tension. Some see them as fundamentally incompatible, locked in an eternal struggle for supremacy. Others view them as complementary ways of understanding the world, each addressing different aspects of the human experience. Science seeks to explain the natural world through observation, experimentation, and the formulation of testable hypotheses. Religion, on the other hand, deals with questions of ultimate meaning, purpose, and morality, often relying on faith, revelation, and tradition. While their methods may differ, both science and religion share a common goal: to make sense of the universe and our place within it. Section 7. The Fine-Tuned Universe. A cosmic coincidence? One of the most intriguing mysteries of the universe is its apparent fine-tuning. This concept has fascinated scientists and philosophers alike for decades, if not centuries. The fundamental constants of nature, such as the strength of gravity or the mass of an electron, appear to be exquisitely balanced for the emergence of life. These constants are so precise that even the slightest deviation could have catastrophic consequences for the universe as we know it. Even slight variations in these constants could have resulted in a universe vastly different from our own, perhaps one devoid of stars, galaxies, or even the building blocks of life itself. Imagine a universe where the force of gravity was just a bit stronger or weaker. Stars might not form, and planets could be non-existent. This apparent fine-tuning has led some to invoke the anthropic principle, which suggests that the universe must be compatible with the existence of observers, us, to ask these questions in the first place. In other words, the universe is the way it is because if it were any different, we wouldn't be here to observe it. Others see it as evidence for a creator who deliberately designed the universe for life. This perspective posits that the precise conditions we observe are not mere coincidences, but the result of intentional design. Whether one leans towards scientific explanations or philosophical musings, the fine-tuning of the universe remains one of the most profound questions in cosmology. Section 8. The Multiverse. Are we one of many? The concept of a multiverse, while still highly speculative, offers a potential explanation for the fine-tuning problem. If our universe is just one of many, perhaps an infinite number, each with its own set of physical laws and constants, then it's not so surprising that we find ourselves in a universe suitable for life. In this scenario, our existence is not the result of divine intervention or incredible luck, but simply a consequence of cosmic probability. We exist in this universe with its particular set of laws, because it's one of the few universes where we could exist. Section 9. The Search for Meaning. Our place in the cosmos. The question of our origins is ultimately tied to the search for meaning in a vast and often indifferent universe. If the universe was created by a loving God, then our lives have inherent purpose and significance. But if the universe is a product of random chance, does that diminish our existence? Perhaps the meaning of life is not something to be found, but something to be created. We have the unique ability to observe, to question, to love, and to create. In a universe that can often seem cold and uncaring, It is our capacity for empathy, compassion, and wonder that makes us truly special. Section 10. An Eternal Mystery. The unanswered question. The question of how the universe began and whether a God set it in motion remains one of the most profound and enduring mysteries of human existence. This question has puzzled philosophers, theologians, and scientists for centuries, each offering their own interpretations and theories. Science offers tantalizing clues, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge further and further back in time. Through the study of cosmic microwave background radiation, the movement of galaxies, and the life cycles of stars, we inch closer to understanding the origins of everything. Yet, the ultimate answer may forever elude us. The more we learn, the more questions arise, each more complex than the last. Perhaps the most important thing is not to find a definitive answer, but to keep asking the question. This relentless pursuit of knowledge drives humanity forward, fostering innovation and discovery. To marvel at the vastness of the cosmos, to explore the mysteries of the universe with open minds and a sense of wonder. Each new discovery, no matter how small, adds to the tapestry of our understanding. For in the end, it is the journey, not the destination, that truly matters. The quest for knowledge, the thrill of discovery, and the beauty of the unknown are what make this journey worthwhile. The universe, in all its grandeur and mystery, invites us to explore, to question, and to never stop searching for answers. It is this unending curiosity that defines us as a species and propels us into the future.